To replace the hinges on the Rest Easy bifold sofa, first remove the loose pillows and any other unsecured items from the sofa. Next, fold the back top down to expose the hinges. Remove the 4 screws securing the back top to the hinges. Once the screws are removed, the back top can be lifted free from the sofa. Then remove the 4 other screws, 2 per hinge, attaching the hinges to the sofa back. The hinges can now be removed. To install the hinges, position them on the back of the sofa, ensuring they are aligned and oriented the same way as they were originally. With the hinges attached securely to the sofa back, align the back top with the hinges in its original position and reinstall the 4 screws removed earlier, tighten them securely. Check that the back top moves smoothly through its full range of motion and operates correctly. Finally, reposition any cushions, pillows, or other items that were removed during this procedure.